ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕಾತುರರಾಗಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅಪರೂಪದ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಜೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಇದೇ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಎಜೆ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಷನ್ ಡೇ. ನಾನು ಕವಿತಾ ಮಾಣಿ. ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಜೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಲವು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ವೃತ್ತಿಪರ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಪದವೀಧರರನ್ನ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯಾಗಿ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಎಜೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಎಜೆ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು.
Is not the end of a tough journey. It is a beginning of a beautiful path. In microbiology, welcoming all for the graduation ceremony who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Now, we have our stars, our students. With the graduation of 126 students who have succeeded in accomplishing their mission. We underestimate the power of a warm welcome, a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn the life around. Now I would like to call our cheerful Mrs. Ashwini Yan, Lecturer, Department of Biochemistry, to formally welcome the gathering.
A very good morning and hearty welcome to all. On this auspicious occasion, on behalf of the faculty members and students, we cordially welcome you all to the graduation day ceremony of AG Institute of Allied Health Science. Our beloved President, Dr. A.J. Shekhi, is the true spirit behind the vision of this great institution. His key interest in the field of education and human resource development that has been imparting knowledge in various fields of life is a reflection of value, moral and dedicated leadership. Due to unavoidable circumstances, he was not able to be a part of the program today. In absentia, we extend a warm welcome to our beloved President. It is indeed an honor and privilege to have today's chief guest, Dr. Rajeshwari Devi HR, District Surgeon and Superintendent, Government Venlock District Hospital, Mangaluru amongst us. She is well known for her generosity and hospitality and for her selfless dedication at work. Resolute, committed, resilient are just few words to describe our Vice President, Mr. Prashant Shekhi. It is because of his continuous drive not to settle for anything except the best, the institution has sealed to the present high student. With great pleasure, we welcome you, sir. In absentia, we would like to extend welcome to our esteemed directors of Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, Mrs. Sharda G. Shetty and Mrs. Ashita B. Shetty. We also would like to extend a warm welcome to Dr. Prashant Mara, Medical Director, AJ Hospital and Research Center, and Dr. Amita P. Mara, Medical Director, Administration, AJ Hospital and Research Center on this occasion. Professor Dr. Ashok Hegde, the Dean, AG Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, a well-known surgeon and a good administrator. Sir, it's our pleasure to have you amidst us today. We warmly welcome you, sir. On this occasion, we extend a heartfelt welcome to Dr. Mohan Das Rai, Associate Dean, AG Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, and the former principal of AG Institute of Allied Health Science, has been a true source of inspiration to us. We welcome you, sir. Dr. Shushi, Principal, AG Institute of Allied Health Science, a very humble and elegant personality, is a guiding spirit to all of us. We wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. We welcome all the heads of various institutions, head of the departments and faculty. Your presence inspires us all. Electronic media. We are grateful and we extend the event. The stars of today's event are graduates and postgraduates. I wish you all a pleasant morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Ashwini, for the affectionate welcome. Shubham Karoti Kalchoti Namastute. All our activities should be governed by the light of knowledge. By this knowledge, ignorance or darkness is dispelled. With this small thought, I would now like to call the luminaries to light the lamp.
Parents, members of the press and electronic media, and most importantly, 4 years here, you also open the door to the future that we know nothing about yet. At AG Institute, you have had the opportunity to learn and grow, to fail, try again, and fail again, and to constantly strive to learn more, to be more, and to know more. We will celebrate some of your results today, but there is so much more to all of you than what can be shown here. You are 126 unique individuals, all with your own unique academic and social talents. I have borrowed a quote from Steve Jobs that I feel really summarizes my hopes and dreams for you. In his graduation letters at Stanford University in 2005, he said, and I quote, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition." I hope your years at AG Institute, with the help of our outstanding teachers and staff, have given you just that. The courage to follow your heart and mind.
ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವೆನ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಸರ್ಜನ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಅಧೀಕ್ಷಕಿ ಡಾ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ದೇವಿಯವರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿದರು.
My dear graduating students, I now request you to kindly stand up to take the very important work. For having given you all what you needed and their sacrifices, just turn around and give a big round of applause to your parents and your relatives. It's a great achievement that you have all reached this stage today. Thank you. Turn around and also give a big round of applause to your teachers who have made this day possible. Okay, all students kindly.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ನ ಬಳಿಕ ಎಜೆ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಷನ್ ಡೇ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಮುಂದಿನ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಎಜೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾ ಸುಶೀತ್ ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞಾವಿಧಿ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದರು.
As a graduate of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, do solemnly pledge before God and this August Assembly that I will dedicate my life to the service of humanity, irrespective of the caste, color or creed. I will practice my profession with conscious dignity and utmost respect for human life, without considerations of personal gains. I will hold confidential all privileged communication received in the line of duty in the best interest of the patients. I will seek to cooperate with fellow health professionals so that a collective expertise may best serve the patients. I will endeavor to make the work environment reflect the professional character of the services rendered. I will strive to maintain consistently high standards of professional competence and will never act in a manner that will bring my profession to disrepute. I will be loyal ambassador for my college, university, and will seek to promote its welfare and maintain its reputation. My dear graduating students, all the very best and God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Sciences, one of the best allied specialty training center in this part of the world. We, at AG group of institutions, pride ourselves as premier healthcare providers committed to providing quality and holistic education and training. The growth of AG Institute of Allied Sciences has been phenomenal since its establishment in 2005 and is now acclaimed as a Center of Excellence in Allied Health Sciences, mainly because of demand-driven health-related programs and excellent infrastructure, clinical facilities and dedicated qualified faculty. This is possible only because of the guidance, dedication and perseverance of our founder, Dr. A.J. Shetty and Vice President, Shri Prashant Shetty. I've been told that a total of 69 university ranks have been achieved by our students alone. This is a remarkable achievement by itself, and congratulations to all the achievers of academic excellence. Graduates, your achievements here are impressive, but you have not realized the success on your own. You have been supported by parents and other family members, by friends and faculty, staff and other students. I am confident that every new graduate has the potential for leadership in the healthcare delivery system, and you will effectively address the world's challenges and seize the most exciting opportunities. Indeed, we are very proud of you and you have developed habits of achievement. You are already tomorrow's leaders and we will follow your success in future endeavors with a great interest. Congratulations again to all the graduates and postgraduates and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Very good morning to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to stand in front of you today on this auspicious occasion. I gladly announce the graduates of AJ Institute of Allied Health Sciences. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Rajeshwari Devi HR, and our Vice President, Mr. Prashant to honor the graduates. And here comes our graduates. BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, 2015-2018 batch, Mr. David Abraham.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಡೀನ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆಯವರು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಗೆಗೆ ವಿವರ ನೀಡಿದರು ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಎಜೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು. ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರು.
I wanted to address all of you just saying that how noble is our profession and how dedication and hard work you have put, and it has given you the fruit today. And now, this is a time I think all of you are overwhelmed with feelings. You have mixed feelings. I tell you one thing, you are all very secure and confident all these years with this, under this great institution, with the guidance of your teachers, with your friends and all your support system. But today, you will be exiting out of this institution to this big world all alone. Even though you have ample of opportunities waiting for you in this world, I know with your feelings you are not interested in listening, but let me tell you the art of listening. And I want to just tell you a few mantras of the life. See, there are 3 levels of listening. One, the first level of listening is kutuhala, that is curiosity. You just curious to know what I am talking or what anybody is talking. Just the next level is the jignasu. The students of this great school, like all of you people, may be interested to know what anybody is talking or what for the information's sake, for the information. But the next level of listening is mumukshu. Mumukshu is you are not judging what is the attitude, what is the good and bad and how you are talking. You are just like children. Children doesn't have any evaluation, they just listen. That's all. When you learn as a child, it will be there throughout your life. So I would request all of you to listen, very small children. Children are always good listeners, you know. So, dear students, dream big. You know, our former president, Shri Abdul Kalam, said, all the youngsters, please dream big. Share your dreams with your fellow friends and your family so that you can realize your dream to happen. It will happen. Please see that the dream will come true, and with a strong commitment you can make your dream come true. And I wish you all the best, and you may have surpassed your dream, and I hope and pray God you make your parents' dream also come true. With this, I conclude my speech, and I thank everybody for having given me this opportunity to share my feelings with you people and to share the happiness and the proud moments with you all. Thank you so much.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬೋಧಕ ವೃಂದ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಎಜೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸಿದೆ.
Vice President of Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust to present a moment and love to our chief guest. Thank you, sir. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. It's important to celebrate all victories, large and small, on the journey toward fulfilling your dreams. So let's have a valedictorian speech by our graduate representative, Ms. Deepthi Shetty from Respiratory Care Technology.
To a set of amazing people, all Public Convocation Day. Today marks an important day in our lives as we earn a degree and step forward to help the mankind. I am sure it is a moment of pride for us as much as it is for our teachers, parents and those who had any part in shaping our lives so far. This moment is already becoming a memory and I feel nostalgic as I recall the years I spent here earning the best from the best. What we have learned and practiced here will definitely come to us rescue us in hard times when we deal with real people and real problems. But as they say, learning is a continuous process. We should crave for learning with application of our knowledge for the upliftment of the needy. And as we continue to grow and learn as medical practitioners, the opportunities are waiting and so are challenges. Every single moment is going to be a test which we have to pass. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, if you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. End is not the end. In fact, end means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember no means next opportunity. So, let's all be positive. Well, now I would like to thank all the people who make our institute excellent, our management, our former principal, Professor Dr. Francis Montero, our current principal, Dr. Shushit Sir, for the wisdom they bring, the praise that you bring. We thank you, sir. And I'd like to heartily thank all our faculty and the staffs who are still there and who were formerly working as well for helping us in every single way. At last, to all my fellow graduates, congratulations and wish you all the good luck and success. Let's go make this world a better and a healthier place. Thank you.
A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and has a compassion to listen to the need of others. I humbly request our ever-dynamic Vice President, Mr. Prashant Shetty, to address the gathering.
Respected Chief Guest of the day, Dr. Rajeshwari Devi, District Surgeon, Ganga Hospital, Mangalore, Dr. Ashok Rigde, Dean, the Associate Dean, Mohammed Dr. Francis, Dr. Shushi, and heads of the department. A warm good morning to you all on behalf of the management. I welcome you all to this graduation ceremony. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Rajeshwari Devi for accepting our invitation and being part of this graduation ceremony. Dear graduates, we are here to acknowledge your success and to honor you with warm congratulations for your hard work and success. There is a rising importance of allied health professionals in the healthcare sector. So your role is much more important and in the healthcare industries. Go ahead with confidence and make your profession bring your success. May the education taught you during your journey at our institution remain with you as learning experience. On this note, I wish to thank our committed faculty members who are the strong pillars for the success of our institution and for their efforts and patience to educate our students and build confidence of the parents who have enrolled their children in our institution. I take pride in recognizing the achievement brought by our students by securing university ranks. I congratulate the principal, the staff members for helping students to achieve academic excellence. Management will always be there at the forefront to provide every possible help for upgradation and updation of every specialty in allied health science. I conclude by wishing all the graduates very best in future. Thank you.
Commitment, our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Rajeshwari Devi HR, will be leaving early. We thank Madam profusely for gracing the occasion blessing this event.
BSc Cardiac Perfusion. First and foremost, I take this pleasure to congratulate all the graduates, and it's a matter of pride that all our hard work to get to this day did not go in vain. Wherever the art of medicine is loved, there is also a love for humanity. I'm sure all of us are truly connected through this sport. Looking back to the wonderful years at AJ Institute of Allied Health Sciences, I would like to cherish each and every moment with bliss. We gained more than just knowledge, we had overcome our doubts and fears. It has been a great honor to be a student within these walls. We were all benefited with the best of opportunities, including the curriculum filled with wealthy education skills, conferences and seminars. We made zillion memories during the sports day and the college trips. Besides, had it not been for God, we wouldn't be here right now, because He is the one who has given us the strength and courage to move on both academically and spiritually through the early milestones of our life. I wish to thank our parents for their love and care. The support that they provided is a real treasure. At this very auspicious moment, I thank our management, our former principals, our present principal, Professor Dr. Sushit Sir, who supported and stood by us all through this journey. I would like to avail myself of this opportunity to thank our mentors. You taught us theory and practice. You gave us the inspiration to strive for perfection. You were a real example to follow. To conclude, I want to remind you that learning never stops, and let us strive to provide humanity and care to the patients. So once again, congrats to the newly graduated and have a great year ahead. Thank you.
Knowing that every step forward is a step toward achieving something bigger and better than your current situation, I kindly request the charming Miss Susan Rochelle, lecturer in radiotherapy, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Gentlemen, I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee on this occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. Foremost, we are grateful to our founder and president of Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, Dr. A.J. Shetty, for his kindness and encouragement. He could not be here due to some commitments, but has conveyed his blessings and best wishes. Our sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Rajeshwari Devi, Government Wenlock District Hospital, for gracing this auspicious event. We are grateful to Mr. Prashant Shetty, Vice President, Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust. His able guidance has always encouraged us. We thank you for your best interest and continued support. Thank you, sir. We humbly thank the directors of Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, Mrs. Sharda J. Shetty and Mrs. Ashita P. Shetty, who could not be here due to some commitments. Our sincere thanks to Dr. Prashant Marla, Medical Director, and Dr. Amita P. Marla, Director, Medical Administration. Thank you, sir. We hereby acknowledge the presence of our Associate Deans, Professor Dr. of Medical Sciences and Research Center, for gracing this occasion. We take this opportunity to thank our beloved principal, Professor Dr. Sushit, AJ Institute of Allied Health Sciences, for his stewardship, unstinted support, vision and commitment. Thank you, sir. Heads of various institutions and heads of various departments and staff members, thank you all for your valuable contributions, supporting guidance and for taking your time out to be with us today. Contribution. Thank you, sir. We owe special gratitude to the staff members of AJ Institute of Allied Health Sciences who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a great success. We thank the Master of Ceremony, Maintenance Department,
caterers from Hotel Moti Mahal for the delicious food, transportation unit and housekeeping staffs for all the arrangements.